Hey there, I'm Axel, and I am here to show you two of our campers and do a little comparison. This one here is the Citizen. It's designed to be lightweight, more affordable, um, more aerodynamic. It's a lot lower. And this one is the Omnibus, which is designed to be go anywhere, more luxurious. So some obvious differences you'll see is this doesn't have a window in the front. This, well, it has a window, big window up here. The clearance on this one, the Omnibus, is 22 inches. It's 82 inches wide, both of them are. It's 105 inches tall compared to this one, which is 91 inches tall. They both have a 12-foot long cabin, and the Citizen here has 12-inch wheels. The Omnibus here has 15-inch wheels. So the reason that this one's a lot taller is has more clearance, and it's also 77 inches inside, whereas this one is 73 inches high inside. So if you're over 6 feet, you might want this one. Let's check out the inside now. This has the pull-out dinette, which is very nice so that you can keep your bed set up. But this one, a lot of storage under the bed, as you've just seen. And if you want to have people over and you don't want to be constantly breaking down the bed, this is convenient because you've got this pull-out table right here, and now you've got a dinette, and you've got seating for 4 people. The kitchen here is an electric burner, and we've chosen not to use propane anywhere in our builds. Battery power generators have come a long way, as well as solar. So the idea is you can boondock, you can plug in, you can run a generator. For the 12 volt, we use these power bricks. And the nice thing about those is that when this is out of power, just unplug it, plug another one in, charge this in your truck. The sink over there has a 20-gallon tank. We also have a lot of fans. Here we have, if you come across here, you'll see that we have a Max Air fan right there. We also have a Max Air fan that's separate for the bathroom. So you can turn that on, push this out here, turn your fan on. And this is a pretty large, this is a 12-foot cabin. This is a pretty large wet bath for that. I can step in here, and I'm 5'11" with boots on, and I've got quite a bit of room, and I can have a shower here. You have your shelf for your stuff, and this is the Thetford cassette toilet, which I've shown you from the outside. So you just push this button. It has its own water reserve. Do that, flush it, and you're all set. And the funny thing is, you could, if you got a bottle rocket and you were towing this with a pickup truck, have 2 more adults in that. Let me know if I've missed anything or if you have any questions. I may have mentioned the lights. They can change to different colors. If you have any questions, send me a message. Also, if you're interested in getting one of these campers, this is the pull-out dinette build. Let me know, send me a message, or leave something in the comments to get on the list, because we have very limited capacity to build them. We're going to be building them this spring. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Next week we're going to have another video showing the next configuration. Thanks.